Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sinhx. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have coshx dx. Next we change for u. Coshx dx we change for du. And now we have the formula in here. So the interpretation of this one, that is about n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c. So this one, we have number 7, we put in here. So 7 plus 1, we have number 8. About u, that is about sinhx. And that is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to coshx. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. This one that is about du. The interpretation of this one, we have u to the power of 8 over 8. And I will put about c. About u, that is about coshx. This is the end. Thank you for watching.